Alright, ladies and gents, Abdullah used to stay here. Do you always find it very difficult to wear your necktie? Worry no more, because today I'm going to illustrate the most easiest and fastest way that you can use to put on your necktie. Now, real quick, let's get into the action. So first of all, you get your necktie. So here is it, your necktie, so beautiful. Then you make sure you raise the collar first. Raise the collar first. Then you place the necktie on your neck. Make sure you arrange it very well. And this is how it goes. Make sure you arrange it very well. So this is it. Make sure here is lengthier than this side. You can see here is very short. It's very short, and the measurement could be depending on how you want it. Either you want it to be long, or you want the necktie to be long or short. Depending on the individual, how you want the necktie to be. So here I prefer it to be at my stomach level, the shorter side. So the short side should be the stomach level, and this one is very long. So that's the lengthier part of it. So now let's get into the action. So the first procedure is to cross them this way. This is it. So this is the first procedure. Cross it. This is it. Like this way, you cross it. That's the first procedure. Then after crossing it, here is it. Then you cross it at the back. Look at how it is. So after crossing it this way, which is the first step, then you place it at the back. This way. This is it. So that's how it goes. Now the second step. So this is it. After you crossed it this way, then we are still on the bigger part of the necktie, of course. So that's the bigger part of the necktie. We are still on it. So after you cross it this way, then you insert it inside here. You insert it to cross the other side. So this is how it goes. Then you make sure you insert it to come to the other side. That's it. Look at how I did it. So this is how it's supposed to be. So now you've crossed it. So when you insert it, then you make sure it counts. This is how it looked like. Have you seen it? I just crossed it this way. So here we go. So simple, very simple. Now guys, let's do this. So after here, then look at how it is. Then you cross it to the other part of the hand. Have you seen it? This is how it is. Then you cross it to the other part of the hand. So this is how it is. Then let's cross it to the other part. Have you seen it? So simple. Very simple and fast. Look at how it is. This is how it is. So just cross it to the other side of the hand. Then let's proceed. Then the next procedure now, look at how it is. So the next procedure, when you cross it to the other side of the hand, we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. We are still on the bigger part of the necktie. So once you crossed it, then the next procedure is to insert it at the bottom. Pass it through at the bottom. Then you bring it up from the top side. So here is it at the tip of the bigger one. So this is it. So look at how it is. Since we've crossed it, then let's pass it through here. So simple. Have you seen it? This is how it is. So when you pass it through here, we are now getting to the final stage. Very simple and so nice. So look at what we have here, guys. So this very stage, you realize that there is a space here. This side, look at it. where my finger is, that's the whole side at the middle of the joints, both joints. So now, the next procedure, we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. Then you make sure you insert the bigger one at the location where I just showed, the middle part where the hole is here, this place. So just insert it and make sure you pull it from there. So this is how it is. So let's go, guys. So here we are inserting it. Let's insert it at the middle to see how it will look like. I just insert it. So now, this is how it is. So as you can see, then you keep on pulling, then you keep on pulling. Alright, so here it is. This is how it looks like. Then the smaller side, you use your left hand, you catch it, or you hold it, then you use your hand this way. Yes, at the next side, then you keep on pulling. Be pulling, so at the top, while this one you'll be pulling down, so this way, to be able to size your neck very well. Be able to fit your neck. This is how it is. Yes, it is what it is, you know. So this is how it looks like. Once it fits your neck, then first of all, let me do the color very well. You see how it looks like. See whether is it well made or. So this is it. You arrange it. Make sure you arrange it very well. Then we'll see how it looks like. Oh, here we go. This is how it looks like. Guys, how do you see it? Just look at it. So gentle and easy. So this is it. The fastest and easiest way. The most fastest and easiest way. Yeah, I'm hoping that you guys will find this very useful. This is the most easiest way, of course. Then, now, how do you see it, guys? So gentle and faster. So here, when you turn at the back of the bigger side, you always see this side here that I'm talking about. So here. So you make sure the smaller part, you insert it. You insert it to cross the other side. So now let's insert it. This is how it is. So now when you insert it, then this way. This is how it's supposed to look like. Yes. So this is it. So you've seen that it is well arranged and so nice. It's well arranged and so nice. This is how it looked like. So this is our necktie. As you can see, how do you see it? The most fastest and easiest. So for instance, if you are having this, the clipper, this one. Yeah, actually. So the clipper, you can use it to clip the necktie this way. This is how it will look like. Alright guys, we are now done with the procedure. How do you see it? As you can see, the necktie is so gentle, very fast and quick. So now worry no more, just follow the same procedure as I just did in this video. And trust me, you'll be able to do it once and for all. It's so quick. Guys, how do you see it? Yes, this is how it looks like. Very fast and so gentle. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I would like to stay here. If you find this video very useful and very informative, don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share as well. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.